everyone, welcome to the channel. It's Sylvain here. On today's video, we're going to talk about my unfair advantage, a mentoring program for affiliate marketers. So before we do that, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon to be reminded of upcoming videos. And then on this channel we talk about making money online through affiliate marketing, network marketing, and also I'll do a bunch of product reviews to really guide network marketers out there what to select, what fits them best with their learning and their progression in that very specific field. So without further ado, we'll talk about my unfair advantage. On the back screen, as you see now, it's my blog, so make sure you have a look at it, blog.sylvaincluche.me, and then I'll be sharing from time to time, uploading my podcast and so on, so really go have a look. So let's dive into my unfair advantage. So the way we're going to structure that will be, what is the program, what it does, and then and what kind of problem it fixes, and then who is it for, essentially. All right. So my unfair advantage, so as you see here, it's in the back office here. So the main important for that is really focus on mentoring. So as you see, we can, if you go in the back office here and hit that webinar tab, you can subscribe, register for weekly training, and it's also broadcasted simultaneously on the Facebook group associated with the program as well, so it's gonna make it interesting. So usually the program is ran by Omar and Melinda Martin, and then usually what happens is they have a camera in that room where they're at, and then in the webinar, they actually have the webcam in front of them, so you get a mix of where they're working and stuff. So that's pretty cool to see. So that's one thing. So you really get a mentoring, and then they're going to focus mainly on product creation, and then they use color coded in front of their videos to see what kind of subject is on at that very specific moment. So you get blue for creation, red for list building, traffic, you get the green color, and then wildcard, they'll just open the floor to a subject that they want. So that's really interesting in that case. And then one main thing that you see with this program is that there's archives going back to like 2010. So you see a lot of quick get rich quick scheme or programs out there that they launch. Maybe they copy someone else's a program and so on, but really that's been since 2010. So that's been around for quite some time. So you really have some reliable people that have been in the industry for a lot of quite a few years, right? So you really get something solid if you get the mentoring with my unfair advantage. And then also you get on this, when you pay for this, you get product creation courses, list building, again, kick-ass sale pages, better ways to present your pages and so on, millionaire marketing bootcamp, membership site creation, and superstar training. So when you join the My Unfair Advantage, since it's really about affiliate marketing, but I think they bring a different twist to it, as you now need to also create your own products in order to be successful online. All right. So even myself, before I was promoting other people's product, and it's easy, blah blah blah, you don't need to do anything, you just post link and stuff. But I think this program really brings that forward, being like a program where you need to up your game a little bit more, all right, and understand the whole picture of the affiliate marketing side. So that's really it's really powerful. Yes, you're gonna end up promoting other people's product, but eventually you're gonna have to create your own product, and then maybe at the beginning it's used as a bonus for your offers that you're promoting, but eventually you'll be making money off that your own product as well. So really now they really shift your mindset into, okay, so to be successful online, then now you need to, yes, promote other people's product, but then now you need to partner with other people and also find affiliates for your own products. That way you get, multiple streams of income. So that really opened my eyes onto like what affiliate marketing was with my unfair advantage. And that's really, this program is really offering that mentorship over that. So you really need to, on a weekly basis, be reminded of important things to do in your business. And then that really brings that forward. And then obviously you need, as any business, you have different, departments of your building, right? I was looking for the word. So you get, there could be customer service, there could be, the research and development, marketing. So you get all that stuff, and then it really brings that forward that, you need to do all that stuff in order to be successful, as opposed to, just post links out there and hopefully you get people to get you on your products. That's not the way it works, right? So that really brings that forward. So excellent program so far that I find. And then you get other exclusives. You get product library. Obviously, that goes into opt-in pages, and then offering stuff for free in exchange for their email address that you can in turn use for other purpose, for promoting your offers and so on. So that's really really deep into really understanding how that affiliate products, affiliate selling actually works. It's dynamic. It's not only I'm selling other people's product, but it really brings that forward with the rest of it. What needs to be done in order to get to that point, right? So next, really, like I said, you get access to a Facebook group as well. So let's just quickly have a look at this one. Yeah, so there's on this channel, there's there's about 870 people. And then he'll be posting, like I said, this is posting actually where exactly. You can see it quickly here. He goes over. So in that, when he does the webinar from Facebook, you can actually see them working in their office. But then on the webinar itself, then you actually get the slides and so on. So that's really interesting. Yeah, so people ask questions, present themselves, and then different topics get brought up, and then he's gonna. So if we go back and answer my the questions I was talking about, so what does it do? Well, it's a mentorship program for affiliate marketers. Really show you the way to build or rethink the way you approach affiliate marketing. And then what problem does it fix? Well, it fixes, especially in my case, I was kind of all access and trying to figure out what I was going to do with affiliate marketing. And it really brought me down to like the pillars of the affiliate marketing, and get me back on track. Okay, well, I really need to focus on building that list, on start thinking about a product I want to build. All right. So that's another thing, that it does. And then who's it for? Well, it's for anyone that's actually interested in, really getting into that affiliate marketing side of thing. Yes, there's a lot of products out there, the educational programs, and then a lot of people turn into, coaching and stuff like that. But if you're someone that would like to sell products and then create your own on websites like ClickBank, JVZoo, WirePlus, that's a really knowledgeable couple there to really guide you in the right direction if you're that type of person that really wants to go ahead, build their program, and then also promote other people's programs. So that's really deep into that. For the My Unfair Advantage program, hopefully you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon to be reminded of upcoming videos, and hopefully we'll see you on the next